I need to work on some paint stuff, but she is flying. I'll make some videos of me doing some pulls here in a second, but thought maybe the wrong wastegate springs were swapped in. I verified those are good. Checked vacuum lines, those are good, and I guess this is where it was at last. It just feels so much faster with turbos that are actually working. I know, I've been big on the M3 lately, and man, I hate to do this to myself. Sheesh. Homie back there got the right size trailer. About to ask him, hey, throw my car on there, drop me back home, bro. Went out for a little test drive and accidentally went way too far. But car is running great. She's a little dusty. I need to give it a wash, but she's looking good, man. I'm excited. Everything buttoned up. Ain't much to look at, but it's all there. Brand new PTE Precision ball bearing turbos. Even with these back here, these Johnnies, we're still not hooking, but it's fun. We're having a blast. This parking lot is dirty. Brand new gas station, dirty parking lot. All right, let's get some driving clips in. Got a check-in light for O2 sensor, no big deal. She's running good though. Idle is pretty spot on. Oil pressure is pretty good. Driving smooth, almost like it's not twin turbo. Is that a cop? Nope. All right, let's get some pulls in. Oh, I think I popped something. It's not making any boost. You know me, you know I love 350Zs, you know I love RPF 1s, and this is exactly how I would spec mine out. I'm gonna try to drive it a little bit more, try to hit up some cars and coffee meets, see what's going on, get some daylight driving, but for now, yeah, this is it.